place in the realm of the Spirit that is the place of ascension, the place of height. Once you are at a place of height, your eyesight changes. When Joshua and Caleb went in with the 10 other spies into the promised land, the spies said that the giants in that land were like giants and we were like grasshoppers in their sight, because they were looking from a valley to something that was higher than them. But Joshua and Caleb had an eyesight where they said that the giants were like grasshoppers in our eyes and we were like giants in their sight, because the perception changed and the level of sight was shifted. There was no difference in person. It was the level of sight that changed. Meaning, are you looking at your problems from a high place or from a low place? There's a place of ascension where nothing is impossible.